What if I told you that right now? As you go about your day, there's an invisible force quietly shaping your life, making decisions, predicting your next move, and even influencing what you think, buy, and believe. Would you notice it? Could you escape it? Or is it already too late? Welcome to the AI Takeover. How artificial intelligence is quietly changing our lives. Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing that nearly every aspect of your daily routine is being orchestrated by something you can't see or touch. It's not a government or a corporation, but an artificial mind silently working in the background. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is everywhere. In your phone, your home, your workplace, and even in the content you consume. But how deep does its influence really go? And what does it mean for our future? Take your smartphone. For example, every swipe, tap, and search feeds powerful AI algorithms that learn your habits, predict your preferences, and serve you personalized content. When you shop online, AI recommends products based on your browsing history. When you scroll through social media, AI decides which posts you see, shaping your worldview and even your mood. But AI's reach doesn't stop there. Voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant listen, learn, and adapt to your routines, controlling your lights, adjusting your thermostat, and even reminding you to take your medicine. The more you interact, the smarter they become, anticipating your needs before you even realize them. Behind the scenes, AI is making decisions that impact millions, sometimes without us even realizing it. Banks use AI to detect fraud, approve loans, and manage investments. Hospitals rely on AI to diagnose diseases and recommend treatments, sometimes outperforming human doctors. In factories, AI-powered robots build cars, package goods, and even inspect products for defects. But who decides what these algorithms value? How do they make choices in life and death situations? For example, in self-driving cars, AI must choose between protecting the passenger or a pedestrian in a split second. These aren't just technical questions, they're ethical dilemmas that challenge our very sense of right and wrong. One of the biggest concerns about AI is its impact on jobs. As AI systems become more advanced, they're replacing humans in roles from customer service to manufacturing. Routine tasks are automated, and even creative jobs like journalism and music composition are now within AI's reach. But it's not all negative. AI is also creating new opportunities, jobs, in AI development, ethics, and oversight. The key is ensuring that workers can transition to these new roles. Education and training will be crucial as we navigate into an AI-driven economy. So pay attention to the invisible force, reshaping your life. It's here, it's real, and it's changing everything. As AI continues to rise, the ethical challenges it brings are unprecedented. Algorithms can adopt biases from their training, data leading to discrimination in various sectors such as hiring, law enforcement, and lending. But who should bear the responsibility when an AI system makes a mistake? Is it the developer, the user, or the AI itself? Privacy is another significant concern. AI systems often require extensive personal data to function efficiently. The question arises, how is this data utilized? Who owns it? And how can we safeguard it from misuse or abuse? Governments and tech companies are striving to establish regulations and guidelines, yet the technology advances quicker than the rules can keep up. The choices we make today will influence the future of AI and shape our society for generations to come. Despite the obstacles, the collaboration of humans and AI offers great promise. While AI can process data on a vast scale and at high speeds, humans contribute creativity, empathy, and ethical judgment. Together we can address challenges that were previously deemed insurmountable, like curing diseases, tackling climate change, and creating a more inclusive world. This collaboration necessitates careful management, ongoing dialogue, and a dedication to fairness, transparency, and accountability. As AI becomes more potent, its impact will only expand. In the years ahead, we anticipate AI systems with incredible memory capabilities, capable of having sustained conversations and learning from past interactions. The responsibility that comes with this power cannot be overstated. Will we harness AI to construct a better world, or will we let it exacerbate divisions and inequalities? The decision rests with us. provided we remain informed, engaged, and vigilant. The next time you reach for your phone, consider who or what is truly in control. Are you utilizing AI, or is AI manipulating you? The answer may be both unsettling and captivating. Let's stay inquisitive. The AI revolution is just getting started.